Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching my video, I say thank you for stopping by. This is Zima's Natural Remedy Corner. Here we talk about fruits, roots, vegetables and other natural remedies that we can use to improve our overall health and our general well-being. You can check out my previous videos where we have shared various natural recipes that you can use to improve your health and your general well-being. Today we'll be talking about two special recipes, okra and chia seed. A combination of these two amazing recipes is highly dense in soluble fiber, antioxidants and many other nutritional benefits. Okra contains vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, potassium and antioxidants, while chia seed contains protein, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus and it also contains antioxidants. A combination of these two recipes will give you high soluble fiber, which can help to slow down digestion and the absorption of carbohydrates in your body. It can help to reduce the blood sugar spikes after you must have eaten your meals. Also, a combination of these two recipes will help to improve your heart health, as chia seed contains omega-3 fatty acid, which supports cardiovascular health. The fiber in these two recipes can also help to reduce bad cholesterol levels in your body. The potassium in your okra and the magnesium in your chia seed can also help to contribute to healthy blood pressure, can help to manage your blood pressure, and the combination of these two recipes also can help with weight management. If you are trying to manage your weight, you can consider taking a combination of these two, as it helps keep you full throughout the entire day. It helps absorb water, makes your stomach full and increases the feeling of fullness, making you feeling full throughout the day. This will help to reduce overeating and unnecessary snacking. A combination of these two recipes also helps to improve hydration in your body. Chia seed can help to absorb water and retain fluid in your digestive tract, keeping your body hydrated the entire day. Today I'll be showing you how you can combine these two recipes to be able to enable your body absorb all of the amazing nutritional benefits. So if you want to combine this, what you're going to do first of all is to chop the okra into appropriate sizes. Once the okra has been chopped into appropriate sizes, you get a glass of water. Then transfer the chopped okra into the glass of water. Then add 1 spoon of chia seed into the glass of water and mix. Let this sit for about 24 hours. Cover and let it sit for about 24 hours. Once this has sat for 24 hours, then you can take out the chopped okra and you can now drink the gel-like liquid that will be formed from the combination of okra and chia seed. It is always advisable that you take chia seed, a combination of chia seed and okra, on empty stomach first thing in the morning. This will help to provide your body with high soluble fiber that will leave your body feeling full for the rest of the entire day. All right, and studies has shown that soluble fiber can help your body to reduce bad cholesterol, also stabilize your blood sugar, and also help to build healthier gut in your body. So please try this combination out, and let me know your experience from a combination of these two amazing recipes. If you'd like to see more of these amazing videos, please like our video, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Stay by with us up to this time. Bye bye and see you in our next video.